y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from Unice Hair. All the information for their hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this wig is a 7x5 glueless chestnut brown ombre loose wave wig. So as you can see, it has the pre-cut lace and the pre-bleached knots. That's why it's called Bye Bye Knots. It's on a dome cap and it has this comb in the back and the non-slip grip around the sides per usual to make sure your wig is extra secure. And this is just the construction of the wig. Get into the color, how it has the pop of brown. Like I said, it is an ombre, so it does have the chestnut brown framing your face and then the brown at the bottom. So really quickly, in the box they send you a cute robe that's hot pink and says Unice, a wig cap, and then this other bag full of goodies such as another wig cap, a wig band, and it has some eyelashes in here, which are all very, very handy dandy to doing your hair. So yeah, this is the wig. If you want to see me install it, then you gotta keep on watching. Alright, so right away, y'all know my hair is never prepared, so I'm going to go ahead and do that on camera. I'm using my edge booster and putting it all around my edges and then using my edge brush to slick it back. I done had these same braids in for weeks now. Ain't no telling how long they've been in here. It is what it is. So I'm just going to slide this on back like this, and I decided that I am going to use a wig cap for this install. I started using wig caps randomly again. I just feel like it makes my hair look neater. Really, my braids are old and I like using wig caps with old braids because it makes it look cleaner. So anyways, I'm gonna put that on and I'm gonna use my cream makeup that I got from Amazon. The brand is Ruby Kisses. I'll try to link this below if y'all are interested. I need to order some more. But yeah, I just like to use this for my wig cap. I feel like cream makeup is better because it doesn't really shift like the powder makeup does. So now I'm just going to slide the wig onto my head, and I'm tucking that comb into the back and just adjusting it to make sure it fits correctly, and it does. It fits comfortably. Everything looks cute. This is just a little, show of what it looks like right out the box. Now I'm ready to get into styling it. So the first thing I'm going to do is, if you can see here, my hairline, my lovely, lovely hairline, always surpasses the lace. And I refuse to cut it. So because my hairline looks like this, I like to do baby hairs to cover it up, just so it looks a lot neater. So that's what I'm doing. If you don't like baby hairs, then you must have a hairline that don't need it. Congratulations. I don't. So I'm just gonna part this and cut them and curl them and style them per usual. Might speed through this a little bit because we all know how this goes, but yeah. Now I'm just using my Eco Gel and my little edge brush, and I'm swooping my little baby hairs that I just created. I try not to make them look so obnoxious. I try to keep them like on the thinner side so it can look more natural, since we love natural looks and stuff. Let me stop sounding sarcastic behind the natural look. The natural look is cute. Okay. But yeah, so I just try to make them look a little thinner or whatever so they blend in better with the wig. And just to hold my edges down, I'm using this Glueless Grip Spray by Erica J, putting that like just on the perimeter of my baby hairs, because I feel like that helps hold my sides down a little bit better. Because mind you, like behind where my baby hairs is like my actual hairline, like it's hair. So that doesn't always like stay flat for me. So I always have to do something to like hold the edges down. So like, I don't know, so it just looks more seamless, if that makes sense, because yeah, it's not skin right there, it's hair. So I'm just going to spray a couple of layers, and then I use my blow dryer to dry it, which really seals it in place, and then I just wrap it for a little while and let that sit. And I do want to mention that I do double wrap my edges now. I started doing that because I feel like it needs to be a little bit tighter so that everything can really stick in place. So I just use 2 wig bands. All right, I know you can't tell, but it's been about like 15-20 minutes, so I'm just going to take the first layer of the wig band off, and then I'm using the Got to Be Free spray, and I'm going to take my hot comb and just go along like the parting of the wig to just define the parting space, if that makes sense, just to make everything look neater and give me that little bump in the front. I don't know why, I just think it looks so cute when I do that, but maybe that's another bad habit I need to get rid of. What do you think? Should I keep doing that or should I not? I thought that's what everybody did, but if that's what nobody does anymore and I'm like behind, let me know. Like, don't have me keep looking crazy. Thank you. So as you've seen, this wig comes pre-curled. So I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm combing through the curls because one, I don't like wearing my curls super tight like that. I like it to have more of a body wave look. So I really just want to get a feel on how the curls look. And they look really, really nice and it's really soft and I really like the color. But I decided that I did want to cut some layers in the front of the wig at the top just to make the color surrounding my face pop a little bit more, and it makes the wig look fuller towards the top. Layers just always enhance a wig, always. So I always just take like a thin layer of hair at the top, and then I use my scissors and just cut diagonally like away from my face. That's just always how I've cut my layers since I've been cutting layers since I was like in college or whatever. But I don't know, I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but this is just my method. It works easier for me. Also, I just want to point out that I did go back and cut my bangs a little bit shorter than what you see right here. So what you see in the opening of the video, like in the very front, it's a little bit shorter than this, just a FYI. So now I'm just going to peel off that wig band and see what we're working with here. Everything looks like it is laying down really well. I'm just going to take my hot comb and push my hair going back away from my face so that when I push it forward, it just has a little bit more volume, as like what you see here. It really came out looking better once I cut the front a little bit more. So yeah, now I'm just taking my cream makeup, the same one from earlier, and just rubbing it all along my hairline to help it blend. Even though I really didn't even need help blending, the lace blended really well into my forehead, which I was very thankful for. But yeah, after all of that, this is the finished look. Kind of. The real finished look is like in the beginning half of the video, but this is the second finished look. I mean, it's still cute like this, but I just really like when I added the extra layers. But aside from that, the color is really cute. I love a good ombre hairstyle. Let's bring back ombre because ombre is the moment. The color looks really pretty. I know everybody loves balayage or whatever, but ombre is also super slept on. The hair is very full. I love that they pre-curl it because it just makes it easier to just throw on, style, and go. I didn't even have to re-curl it because with some pre-curled hair, I wound up having to re-curl it. But with this one, I didn't have to. Like, it really, the curls stayed, okay? I was happy about that. No issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. Just a really cute and easy to install wig. But yeah, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios. Till next time.